Oh damn. Well, hey, what is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be playing Dragon Ball Burst. Yeah. So I've been doing pretty good on this game, but not on the computer, on my phone. On this phone. This is what I used to record videos with. Just my phone. I've been editing with my phone until my grandfather came and said, "Here's your computer. You get to edit." And I was like, "Leave me alone, baby. Leave me alone." I don't think I saved last time. I don't remember. Cause my stats were super good. Called up, oh sorry, double tap. Okay, whatever. Have to fly. Oh my god, yep. So you really have to work on your agility, cause that's like one of the most thing that you have to normally work on. Stop. Okay. So you see my Kai is that. Wait, I forgot. What's the next thing? Cause I haven't done a video in such a long time, like 4 days. Yeah. Mom, you wanna come in the video? I'll blur your face out. I don't know if I want to. Okay. Okay, so that looks like Hit a little bit, just a little bit. If you take off that big lump on his head, that looked just like Hit. Let me alone, baby. Wait, E is for energy. Wait, hold up. I need some help. Where do you go to help? I need some help. Okay, Q, nothing. Okay, E, nothing. Hold up. E is for what? Hold up. R. Oh. Hold up. What? Oh no, that's defense. A is to go sideways. S to go backwards. I know. C. Wait. No. V is for charging. I forgot. Yeah, you charge like this. This is so weird. The controls. Yeah. And what is this for? Okay. 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 I'm so confused, guys. Oh, there we go. There we go. This looks so wrong. Wait, I forgot what is that for. Let me alone. Let me alone, baby. Let me alone. Leave me alone, baby. Oh, by the way, I'm just singing "Leave Me Alone" by Michael Jackson. Dun 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 dun. So guys, what is going on? I know I've not posted, but what did you guys do? I know my wait, Mama, is Raekwon my cousin? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Read my lips. I think you guys already know. This video is made with nonsense. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, baby. Hold up, I need to go to dojo, go to modes. Because my mode right now is Super Saiyan. Oh no! Cool. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, I need my dojo. I mean my stats to like go up or something. So that's this Q doesn't work. Q! Hold up, guys. So yeah, I don't know if you guys heard my mom. Okay. Yep, keep on. Oh my god. Okay. This might take a long time. Go! Oh my god, this is so annoying. I really want to play this on my phone. So I got, I know it looks like something else wrong. Okay, almost there, almost, and got it. Okay, now I can go to dojo, go here. Finally, I get to get this. Finally, okay, then I go to stats or whatever. I have to figure out, is it M, N, B, V? Okay, it's V. Okay, I got it. Oh god, look at that. Guys. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, baby. Leave me alone. So I really need like my stats to go up, so I'm just gonna fly around. And I can't just let... Wait, what's down here? I've never been here. Like this. Right here. Crap. Okay. I kinda messed up. Ooh. Okay, I need to like... What's Vic... I don't know what that means. Leave me alone. I'm gonna go to the city. I know this looks like clouds, but I don't think they're really clouds. I think they're just fake clouds or something. I mean, that's what I always thought. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, baby. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, baby. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, boom, boom, boom. Do you remember the time? Remember the time when? Do you remember? Okay, so this is a city. It looks pretty lame because I don't like these. Okay. Do you remember the time when? Wait, it was E, right? No, Q. It was Q. Wait, it doesn't work like that? Hold up. Do you remember the time when? Oh, yeah. And then you charge, and then you get to go. Wait, hold up. Okay, you get to go, and then you charge. Hold up, you charge, then you get to go. Hold up, what? Okay, I wish I can just like transfer all of this to like my phone, and then Under the dorm one. Okay, so this is clearly not the video, so I'm gonna transfer this to my phone. The next video, cause of something. Oh yeah. So yeah, see you next video, guys. Cause this is like super hard for some reason. Bye.